Okay, another day, another product from Aliexpress, and this one costs around 12 US dollars, but it can go to 30 US dollars depend on where you are living and taxes and everything, because today prices are going every day up. So what we have here, what it says in the title: tire inflator, portable air compressor, 150 psi. Cordless tire inflator, smart air pump for car tires, motorcycle, bicycles with auto stop. This thing is super useful and you need this thing for your vehicles. And I found it pretty cool and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. No bubbles. Instructions. No, I need to read it. Here it is, the compressor, the hose, the charging cable, and some attachments. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Whoa. And I can feel it. It's super heavy. Wow. But what it says in description, what is in the box: air inflator, air tube, user manual, USB charging cable, needle valve adapter. Okay, we have that. Air nozzle cones, 2 of them. Alright, ultra resilient engine core. Wow. Also it have a light, SOS. Maybe you will need that on the road, I don't know. But nothing says about the battery capacity. It says only that it's 7.4 volts, item diameter 3.99 inch. Okay. What it says: model C32, voltage 7.4 volts, current 6 amperes. At the bottom we have the Type-C connector for charging, and on top we have the tiny LED light and the air opening. So this one goes just like this. Beautiful. And powering in 3, 2, 1. You need to hold the button. Oh! Take a look, LED display. But the battery is not full. We have only 2 bars. And with M button, you can choose for what type of tire. This is for motorcycle, for balls, 36 psi, for cars, 2.5 bars. This is for bicycle. How to turn on? Oh, you need to hold the light button, and with next. Oh, we have also a flashing red. Is this the SOS? Is it true? For those who know Morse code, please comment below. Is this a true SOS? Because I don't know. I'm gonna leave it to blink couple of seconds. Maybe this will be useful in some cases. And with next press of the button, we are going back to the main light. Holding, turn it off, and let's power it on. It's loud, but it's working. I'm gonna turn it off, and before I use to pump something, I will try to charge it to see how much current is pulling while charging. And of course I'm gonna use my latest metal case. The model is KWSX1 Type-C USB doctor or USB meter, so we can monitor with how much current is charging this device. And what it says, 5 volts, 0.8 amperes, almost 1 ampere. And on display we have the third flashing icon of the battery. Alright, it's a little bit damaged here. Never mind. Okay. And yes, I'm gonna open it. Just to see if this thing can be... Oh! Open it and see the battery capacity. Let's do it from the other way. Come on. Oh, I damaged the box. I can't. Oh! Ooh. And take a look. From my point, this is very simple design. We have the DC motor, a powerful DC motor, and right here, I don't know, can you see it? We have mechanical rotating piston that makes air, 7.4 volts battery, the charging circuit at the bottom with the charger. Here we have the PCB board with the LED display, 5 buttons, the attached connector for the battery, and some kind of MOSFET. Probably that is for controlling the DC motor. Can I try it this way? Whoa! Should I press it? Can you see the piston going up and down? Look right here. You can see the piston is moving. And what is nice, at the bottom of the motor we have a fan that is attached on the same motor to cool down the motor, which is nice. I love it. Wow. Can I see it? Oh, here it is, what it says. 18650, two of them connected in series, so we can get 7.4 volts, 1500 milliamperes, 1.5 ampere. That is 11.1 watt, and is produced in 2025. Not bad. Not bad. Wow. All right. I'm gonna put the lid back and make... Oh! I have broke some of the plastic, but never mind, it worked. So you can see what is inside this compressor. I can feel it that there is a lot of pressure. Wow. I have attached the hose and attached the needle. The needle is for pumping up balls, going like this, turning on. I'm gonna select with M button for balls. Take a look what it says, 9 psi. That is too much for this small ball, but we're gonna try it. It's empty. and I think that is enough. Wow! Whoa! I got a surprise for you. Yes, in description below you can find discount promo codes. Yes, and you can use those codes to get this air compressor little bit cheaper, or you can use those discount promo codes for any product that you want from Aliexpress. Just visit the description below and you will figure out.
Okay, I'm gonna check my motorcycle tire, and it's selected on motorcycle, and you can see that the PSI is 12. I'm gonna pump it to 20. I don't know, can you see it? 19 PSI and 20. Beautiful. I love it that the display is showing the PSI of the tires. What it says, 1.65 bars. But we're gonna go and first I'm gonna set it to 2.2 bars and hit press. Can you see it? 1.7. And I'm gonna wait the air compressor to stop automatically. Let's see that. 2.0. And yes, it stops automatically, which is perfect. Love it. Oh, I need to try it. Try to make a jacuzzi from my pool.
From my tires, I'm dirty, but never mind. Also to show you what kind of other attachments you will receive. Totally 4 of them for using for your ball, maybe for mattress, air mattress. Alright. I hope you liked today's video about this air compressor. It's pretty cool, and it's affordable, of course, from around, I don't know, 12 to 20 or $25, depends on where you are living and ordering. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow. Every day new video.